So let's continue po our grammar module 2.1 2.1. Okay? So, bonjour à tous. Muna, mabuhay po tayo dyan. Now we are going to remove UR at the ending and you speak French. That's easy, right? Today we're mastering OR verbs, the easiest and the most common verbs in French. Learn the rule once and use it forever. Okay? So watch, repeat, and practice. Okay? So these are the verbs on UR. We call them on the premier group. Nakagrupo po kasi yan. And we have to conjugate the conjugaison au présent. Present tense. Okay? Pangkasalukuyan. So we have the verb. Example. All the verbs, some verbs that are in premier group that ends with UR. But not all. Okay? This is the reg. Reg is a rule. Okay? But not all. Example. We have the verb parler. Parler means to speak. Magsalita. Okay? So when we conjugate the verb, we have the singular. We have the you, tu, il, elle, on. Okay? And we have the plural. We have the nous, vous, il, o elle. Okay? So I already discussed the meaning of you. You, tu, il, elle, on. Okay? You is me, tu is you, il is he, elle is she, on is we, nous is we, and vous is you, kayo, or even isa lang, only one, your employer, you still use vous because of vous mo. Il, they are they, that is masculine or mix, and elle is only the women. Get it? So, how do we do it? The verb or example, parler. We need to remove only la UR. Alisin natin, we remove UR. Okay? And then when we remove, you cover UR, we remplace. Remplace is replace. Pinapalitan ng ito yon. So, for the verb joue, on met e à la fin. On remplace, replace, okay? Tu, on enlève OR, we add OS. Il, elle, on, they are on the same boat. Why? Because they have the same conjugation at the end. Okay, the three of them. It's only one. E. Next, donc, nous is we add ONS. Pour vous is OZ. Et il ou elle, troisième personne pluriel, is ONT. Okay, got it? So, je parle. Okay, je parle avec un E à la fin. Tu parles avec OS à la fin. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Okay? Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Et il parle. ONT. Il y a little E. Un parle. Et elle parle. Okay? So you will see the difference between the singulier and the pluriel. Example, je parle. I speak. Nagsasalita ako. Tu parles. Yeah, OS, but we don't pronounce the S. You speak. Il parle. Yeah, E à la fin. Elle parle. On parle. He speaks, she speaks, or we speak. Nous parlons. That is ONS. We speak. Vous parlez. You speak. Kayo. Il parle. ONT. Et elle parle. ONT. Got it? So that it's E, OS, E, ONS, OZ, ONT. Répétez s'il vous plaît. E, OS, E, ONS, OZ, ENT. Bravo. Okay, let's have another example, okay? Well, you know the rule. The rule, the règle, est pour enlever le OR. We need to remove OR. Tanggalin, ikat yung OR, no? So, example ngayon, parler, to speak, to parle. On ajoute E, OS, E, ONS, OZ, ONT. The verb aimer. Aimer is mahalin, to like. Parler is to speak. Okay, example. Aimer, aimer. J'aime le français. J'aime le français. Okay, j'aime. We have je, J-E, A, M. If we have two vowels in between, we need to remove one vowel and we replace it with an apostrophe. We need to remove, on va enlever un E et on remplace par apostrophe, okay? So it will become j'aime le français. It's not je aime le français. J'aime le français. Next, gusto ko ng French. I like French. Example, another, tu aimes le café. Tu aimes le café. Gusto mo ng café. You like the coffee. Get it? So, still the terminaison au présent, le verbe OR. OK? E pour du, OS pour tu, E pour il, elle, on, ONS pour nous, OZ pour vous, et il avec un S pluriel ONT, et elle avec un S ONT. Get it? Okay, memorize lang po. It's easy, no? O-O-S-O, O-N-S, O-Z, O-N-T. Okay, we are going to use them in a sentence, okay? So how do we use in a sentence or when you ask questions, okay? We took already the interrogative, how to ask questions in French. Okay. We have the form facile, pinakamadali, or easy question. How do we use it? We have est-ce que plus le sujet plus the verb. Est-ce que plus the subject plus the verb. Okay? Example. So, est-ce que tu parles français? Est-ce que tu parles français? And then don't forget the intonation ni tataas ang boses. You need to go up. Est-ce que tu parles français? Okay, nagsasalita ka ba ng Pranses? Do you speak French? Or we have the inversion, paliktarin po, in a formal way. This is a formal way when you will write it. We need to first use the verb, invert it, and then the subject. But don't forget the hyphen, the tiré, okay? Parles-tu français? Parles-tu français? Remember, tu parles français. Parles-tu français? Okay? Do you speak French? Do you speak French? Okay? You need to invert the verb first before the subject. Get it? Another example. Parle-je. It's different with the you. Parle-je français? Parle-je français? Parlons-nous français? Parle-t-il français? Parlez-vous français? Parle-t-elle français? Ou parle-t-il français? Get them? So I use all of the sujet, the subject and the verb. Okay? Okay, don't forget you can use SQ and then the subject and the verb. And we can invert verb first and then the subject. Okay? Get it? Okay. Okay, there's another one. Negative question or question negative. Okay? What is this? The verb ne pas. Ne pas, as I said before, is not. Okay? Is not negative. Tu ne parles pas français? Tu ne parles pas français? We do it positive. Tu parles français? Parles-tu français? Okay? But it's negative. Tu ne parles pas français? Don't you speak French? Hindi ka ba nagsasalita ng Francais? Tu ne parles pas français? Be sure that the verb is in the middle of nous et pas. No after the pronoun tu, ne parle pas. The verb is in the middle of nous et pas. Get it? Okay, let's practice po. Okay, and we have two answers, possible answers. This is a question fermée, close question. It's answered by only yes or no. Oui or no. Okay? This is, we can use that also. Okay. So, example. Tu travailles ici? Tu travailles ici. You work here. Positive, oui, je travaille ici. Yes, I work here. Oo, nagtatrabaho ko dito. But it can be negative. It's not. Okay? Tu travailles ici? Non, je ne travaille pas ici. Non, je ne travaille pas ici. No, I don't work here. So, it can be positive or negative. Ça, c'est les questions fermées. Yes or no lang ang sagot. Okay? Okay, got it? Vous comprenez ou pas? Oui, bien sûr. Okay, so please don't forget, no pa, at ang ating mga conjugation po natin. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment po. Et merci beaucoup. À bientôt tout le monde!